First thing you want to do is you can do the search and then type in downloader, or you can just hit your microphone button up here, hold it down and say downloader. See, it's right there. Just click on downloader. Download it. Downloader is like an internet browser that's easy to use with a remote control. So you can download stuff right from it. Open it. Okay. And there you go. That's downloader. Now you can just go up here, and whenever you get into that box, select it. You'll be able to type whatever website you want in on it. There you go. That's how easy it is to download downloader. Just hit your home button. And if you want it at the front, you can just go to your apps. Since you just downloaded, it's going to be all the way at the bottom. So you go all the way to the bottom. There it is. Hit the three little lines or the options button right there. Go to move to front, or you can move it wherever you want. Then if you hit your home button, there it is. It's right in front, right there. That's all there is to it, to putting downloader onto your Fire Stick.